In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a test with an extended time in Blackboard. To do this, if you go down to your course tools under Course Management, click on Tests, Arrays, and Pools, click on the option for Tests, and find the test that you wish to extend the time on. We'll do this here on Final Exam. So click on the down arrow, say Copy, and it will create a second copy of this for us. In this case here, it'll call it Final Exam 1. To edit this, I just click on the down arrow, click Edit. Takes me into my test options. I can then click on the down arrow again, click on Edit. I can rename this Final Exam 1.5 time. Once I've got that, I need to now create an instance of this. I will do this in Final Project and Exam. I can go into here, click on Assessments, Tests, select my Final Exam with 1.5 time, click Submit, and I can go in through here now and use my same test options like I've had before and set up the same test options as the other tests. This is where here I can extend my time. If the test was 2 hours, I can make it now 3 hours for another student. When I'm done, I can click on Submit. Created my exam with 1.5 time. Now for students now to have the option of taking this, if I want to limit this, I can use Adaptive Release. So I click on the little down arrow, click on Adaptive Release Advanced. I can create a rule, call this one Rule 1, and I can create a membership rule. This allows me to select usernames or groups that can take this test. So for example, if I wanted to find my student with my last name of nothing, I can just click this username contains nothing. It will show me all my students and how I can select my student that I wish to give the extra time to. When I'm done, I click on Submit, click on OK to apply the rule, and now when I click back on Final Exam here at the top, I can see that this exam has got an extended time. This exam has got 3 hours where the rest of the students have 2 hours. When I go back into my exams, you'll notice now it'll have Adaptive Release. It will show you that only specific students can take this exam. And now I've configured 2 exams with different times. One thing to note, you will have 2 different grade columns in the Grade Center. If you wish for simplicity, you could make one exam not visible to students, and you could put their final exam grade in the proper grading column. You could also just use that student's grade in this grade column and it will compute the grades the same way. This is because students didn't take the one exam or the other. Their final points will still calculate properly.